Agricultural machineries are mechanical structures and devices used in farming or other agricultural activities. There are many types of such equipment, from hand tools and power tools to tractors and the countless kinds of farm implements that they tow or operate. In this video, you will be amazed with incredible machines invented for agricultural purposes. Before we start, like the video and leave a comment below. Also, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notification of our new videos. Back to the video. Amazing and incredible agriculture machines invented for agricultural purposes. Carrot harvester. A carrot harvester is an agricultural machine for harvesting carrots. Carrot harvesters are either top lifters or share lifters and may be tractor mounted, trailed behind a tractor, or self-propelled. Top lifters use rubber belts to grab the green tops of the carrot plant and pull them from the soil. A share pushes under the carrot root and loosens the plant. The belt takes the carrots, with tops, into the machine where the tops are cut off and sent along a waste path and dropped back onto the field. Once the tank of the machine is full, the clean carrot is transferred to containers. Fruit picker. Guys, this machine is used to picking fruit from large trees that cannot be reached without climbing on it. This machine helps to pick fruits easily without climbing on trees. Workers stand in one of 6 buckets attached to the machine and pick fruits very easily. Workers then keep the picked fruit in the conveyor system, and then fruits are collected in a container installed. Watermelon and Mashmelon harvester. Harvesting watermelon and mashmelon from the ground one by one is a very difficult and time-consuming process. Guys, this invention makes this process easy. The rotating system of this machine has this kind of container. The workers in the field cut and put the watermelon and mashmelon in these rotating containers. The worker on the top of the machine handles these fruits and stores them in their respective places. Plant trimmer. This machine is used to shape a plant. Trimming all plants in a field into the same size and shape is very difficult. But this machine is very useful for the purpose of fixing a uniform size and shape. Wood cutting trimmer. This tool is used to cut unwanted branches of a tree. You can judge the power of this tool by looking at how it cuts unwanted branches so easily. When you place the cutter section of the tool into a branch and press the trigger, it cuts the branch very smoothly. With the help of this tool, you can cut branches up to 2-inch thickness, and if a branch is located at a height, the attached stick can be used to access the branch. Bed making machine. For certain crops, a bed is required. This advanced machine effectively does the job of making beds in the field for such crops. The attached roller in the back of this machine shapes the bed in Kit Kats. If this is done by hand, then it will take a lot of time and effort from farmers. Spilt master. This machine is used to split a large log of wood into pieces. At first, a large size log is placed into the machine. Then once the machine's hydraulic press is started, the wooden log is split into multiple small pieces. This machine, with the help of an attached conveyor belt, transfers the splitted wooden pieces into stacks. These small wooden pieces are used in various factories. A forage harvester, also known as a silage harvester, forager, or chopper, is a farm implement that harvests forage plants to make silage. This machine is equipped with multiple rotating blades. Forage harvesters can be attached to a tractor, or they can be self-propelled. A forage harvester cuts forage plants very easily to make silage and transfers the silage to the container. Almond harvester. This machine is used for harvesting almonds from trees. When this machine is placed below almond trees, the machine produces a vibrating effect to harvest almonds. As a result, the almond in the tree fall into the conveyor belt of the machine, and then these almonds are transferred to the container back of the machine. Remote control branch cutter. This amazing machine is used to cut branches of a high tree very easily. This remote control machine climbs on any tree very efficiently and cuts its branches in a matter of seconds. Ice block crusher. Ice block crusher is used to crush large ice blocks into ice smash. Ice blocks are put into one side of the machine with help of clips, and this machine crashes the ice very quickly and releases the ice smash from the other side. This kind of ice smash is used by fishermen in their boats. Tree crusher. This amazing machine is used for smashing large trees very easily. This machine crushed tree from the top to the bottom in seconds. Isn't it an amazing machine? Grape Harvester. This amazing machine is used for harvesting grapes from trees. The grape is very soft fruit and any rough handle may damage the fruit. The harvesting system of this machine is installed in the center. The operator operates the machine from the top of the grape trees. This machine harvests grapes in a very clean way and takes the fruit into the machine. The vibrating system of the machine separates the leaves from the harvested grapes. The machine stores the separated grapes in the tank fitted in the machine. Once the tank is full, the fruit is taken outside for processing. Banana tree cutter. The machine is used to cut banana trees into small pieces. After harvesting for once, these banana trees have no use. This cutter is cutting banana trees into small pieces and throwing them into the pool, so that these pieces can be eaten by the fish in the pool. Lake cleaner. Guys, we often see unwanted bushes in lakes that makes the water dirty. Also, it resists the flow of water. To solve this problem, this advanced machine is used to clean lakes and rivers. This machine cuts and cleans unwanted bushes in water, and dump them in the sour. Grass on the bank of lake or river can also be cut, with the help of an attached cutter. Don't forget to let us know in the comments section which machine you like most. Also comment, if you own any of these machines. Remember to subscribe to our channel as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this, then probably you will really enjoy our other videos too. Click on the screen right now to watch other videos of your interest. See you in the next video.